I am sitting in a room. It's not enough, is it? So, hey, I'm Sydney Brown. This is your top writing story of the day. When you are writing a story, always make sure that you give at least some visual of the setting. You know, is it a room? Is it what kind of room is it? Is it a grand ballroom, or is it an office? Is it a bathroom? You know, give your reader something to start with. You don't need to overdo it, but make sure that they have something. Never underestimate the value of really embracing your setting. World building, magic building, any of that, it's extremely vital. You don't want to go into too much detail, but make sure that your reader understands where you are when you're talking. All right, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you soon.